Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock outfit presets in Heartopia. So this is what it looks like. If you go to the dress up section, you have this, which you are able to just change your outfits like this, and you don't have to select it one by one. You can just press it and press save. If you want to save it as a preset, you're just going to press this button, but I already have that as a preset. Then I'm going to press save. So in order to unlock that, you are going to basically buy a lot of outfits until your collection of clothing reaches, I think, 800 if I'm not mistaken. So once you reach 800 points, which is in this area, you will unlock the presets. You don't have to be a certain level, you just need 800 points for your outfits, and you can obtain that by buying clothes. It took me I don't know, a month, maybe more. Maybe if you buy everything in the shop, you can get there faster, but I took my time with it. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.